All right, folks, we got to prepare for a winter storm here across the area. A winter storm warning is in effect for the entire area. It's already happening across portions of Oklahoma into North Texas. That will be moving into the area for tonight as those greens change over to purples and pinks, and that means we will have the potential of ice. I really don't see this as a major snow event. We may end the snow from Meridian, Hamilton to Goldthwaite as we head into tomorrow afternoon, but I do think most of this will fall in the form of freezing rain, then switching over to sleet. Hopefully we can switch to sleet pretty fast because ice accumulations, if things stay freezing rain, could be a quarter to a half inch. And I think the heaviest part of that could be near the I-35 corridor. So a few power outages will be possible and travel will become extremely dangerous as we make our way through the day on Thursday. And snow and sleet accumulation, especially northwest of Waco, Temple, Killeen, getting to that 1 to 2 inch range, probably more like a half inch to an inch closer to Waco, Temple, Killeen on top of any freezing rain that we see. So again, it is going to be really cold out there, and that means wind chills going to be in the single digits and teens as we head into tomorrow. As far as timing goes, looks like this will be from about 9 p.m. to midnight when the switchover will start across the northwestern half of the area. Central sections, including Waco, Temple, Killeen, between midnight and 3 a.m. and then down to the southeast as we approach sunrise for Bryan College Station. So that'll be the 32-degree line moving across the area for tonight. So let's check out this on our future track and showing you that we do have the rain out there that will continue through 10 o'clock. I do think by 10 o'clock, areas from Hillsboro to Gatesville to Lampasas and to the northwest will start to switch over to freezing rain and a little bit of sleet mixing in as well. Locally, heavy rain will be possible across our southeastern counties. Then we all start to go over to freezing rain as we head toward about 3 o'clock in the morning, and that goes through 6 o'clock in the morning again. I think the height of the storm will be between 6 and noon as we make our way through the day on Thursday. Most of it in the form of freezing rain and sleet, but again, we may see a little snow on the back side of this, and that freezing rain and sleet continues through about lunchtime before it starts to taper off and push to the east as we move into the afternoon hours, and then maybe a few flurries Thursday night into Friday morning. Lots to cover there, and we have more to go. Rainfall before midnight, probably getting up into the half-inch range for a lot of us along and west of I-35, and maybe over an inch as you head off toward the east. Again, this will be cutting off as the unfortunate ice amounts will be coming into the area, and as you can see, we could be seeing anywhere between a quarter and a half inch of ice across the region, especially across the northwestern two-thirds of the area, including Waco, Temple, Killeen, even higher amounts across the northwest where you'll get below freezing first. So this could be a pretty dangerous situation going on here as we make our way into tomorrow. And then we have the temperatures to talk about. Of course, when that freeze line gets to you, and as we make our way through the overnight hours by midnight, looks like that freeze line will probably still be just to the northwest of Waco, Temple, Killeen, but getting into Hillsboro and Gatesville. Then by 7 o'clock in the morning, we're falling into the 20s, and it just hangs out in the 20s all day long. Wind chills will be even colder than that. And speaking of those wind chills, here's what we have for you. Temperatures will be on the fall and wind chills by midnight into the 20s across the area, some teens to the northwest. Then it'll feel like the teens and single digits as we move to 6 o'clock Thursday morning, falling into the single digits along and west of I-35 by noon on Thursday. So it'll feel like 8 in Waco and Temple, 5 in Killeen. It'll feel like 10 in Cameron and 12 in Hearne. And we will keep those wind chills in the single digits and low teens through 5 o'clock Thursday. Then it gets even colder as we head toward Friday morning. Wind chills could get close to 0 across the region, especially along and west of I-35, single digits across the east. That's what it'll feel like. Actual air temperatures will be into the teens. So looking at your forecast here, temperatures right around 32 degrees at midnight, then falling even more, and a 90% chance of a wintry mix throughout the day tomorrow. Maybe a few flurries tomorrow night, 19 degrees, 32 on Friday. So anything that falls Thursday will likely stick around Friday. It's going to be till Saturday till we really start to melt this thing off. 39 degrees for a high, 46 on Sunday into Monday, and then we're looking at 50s, maybe even some 60s by the end of next week. So here's the recommendation. If you don't have to get out, stay home.